Few of our subscribers called me. They said, I got termination letter from my MNCs. I verified their information. They doesn't submit any fake certificate. They doesn't have overlapping or dual employment record. Even their past record also perfectly clear. They have proper relief letter from all past organization. No absconding record. No termination letter in past service history also. However, they got termination letter. And finally, I asked genuine question and I really surprised. They got terminated. The reason is they submitted fake claim request. Usually when you work in an organization, you will pay some insurance amount and you can do reinvestment process. You can initiate reinvestment request and you can get the whatever paid amount to the hospitals. They submitted fake discharge summary, they submitted fake hospitals record, bills, everything. And finally the HR team identified. So remember, when you submit claim request also, they will do verification. They will verify with your doctors, they will verify with your organization. Even every hospital, they will have separate admin team. So usually if you submit reinvestment request, your HR people or HR operation team will check with your hospitals and they will verify your documents, then only they approved. So in this case, many of our followers got terminated even though they have crystal clear records without any dual employment. We talking about background verification related issues, and if you need any clarifications, you can have consulting with me, paid consulting, and once you done your payment, we will discuss. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.